Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing my first ever braided wig. I've never tried a braided wig, so this is new for me. This is everything that they sent over in the package, and I like the little whatever kind of little scrunchies those are. They look really cool. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. This is a boho knotless braids wig, and it has baby hair, and these are the small boho braids. As you can see, it has lace through and through, so it's like it looks like scalp. You have two clips on the side, you have a clip in the back, you have an adjustable strap in the back, and then you have like a adjustable band in the middle. So I'm just gonna start by tinting the lace on the wig. I'm just using my foundation color, and I'm tinting mostly just like the front area because that's what's mostly gonna be showing. And then I'm just tightening up the adjustable band so it can be nice and tight on my head, and it can, you know, lay really nicely. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting off the lace. As you can see, when I cut the lace, I'm cutting like in a jagged motion, not really a zigzag motion, but I'm like kind of cutting like in a jagged way, and I'm cutting the lace all around like that. So I'm trying to get really close to the hairline as much as possible, but I'm not cutting a straight line because I do want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on, and like I said, I made sure that my adjustable band was nice and snug. Don't worry about what I got going on underneath though, okay? That's why I got the braided wig, so we can fix that. So I'm just trying it on and making sure that I have it laying exactly where I want to be. I'm using the Got2b spray bottle, the blue and pink bottle. This bottle is really good, and it's good for like instant installs. So I'm just spraying at my hairline. I'm pulling down the baby hairs, and I'm spraying behind the hairline, and using this spray, I don't have any residue or anything like that. So they do provide a good amount of baby hairs depending on how you like yours. I like mine to be shorter, so I will be cutting mine shorter later on in the video because I like for it to look as natural as possible. So I'm just spraying the area, and then I'm pushing it down with my comb, and then doing any adjusting that I need to do to the hairline. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and I'm just gonna make sure that all of this spray, well, for the most part, is nice and dry. And then after that, I'm going to use the elastic band so I can lay my hairline down and let it sit for a while. Okay, so I let the hair sit for like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go back and do my baby hairs. So I'm cutting the baby hairs in like a diagonal motion, and I'm trying to make them as natural looking as possible. I'm cutting them pretty short because I don't want them to like touch my eyebrows or anything like that. So after I cut the baby hairs off, I'm just going to go in with my little flat iron and curl the hair upward so my baby hairs can be like curly around the perimeter. So with this wig, you do have the option of customizing it. So the one that I have are the knotless braids. You can do like middle part knotless, you can do Fulani braids, or triangle part, so you can customize it to be how you want it to be. So like I said, this is my first time ever trying a braided wig, and I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I've been approached by companies about trying braided wigs, and I was against it, but this turned out really cute, and it looks really natural, surprisingly. Like the lace and the scalp, it looks really good, so I think I am a fan. So yeah, I'm just doing the baby hair, swooping them and getting them how I want to get them. And also, this is my first time ever having like boho braids. I've never had boho braids, but I will say that these braids are very soft. Like the hair is very soft. It feels like good texture. I really like it. So after I'm done swooping my baby hairs and everything, I just put the elastic band on there again, and I'll let that sit for another 15 or 20 minutes, and then I am done, y'all. It's as simple as that. So now we are going to style it. So first I'm going to start by doing like a side part flip over type of thing. But like, look at the hair, y'all. The curls on the boho braids are freaking beautiful like that. I'm telling y'all, they're so soft. So the length that I have is 20 inches. And I will say that the wig is really full. That was another thing that I was scared of when it came to braided wigs. I didn't want it to look, you know, like thin. I wanted it to be full, like how it would be if I got braids for real. So yeah, this is what the side part looks like. And then I'm showing you guys the fullness and how it looks from the back and everything. It doesn't even look like a wig. Like when you're out and about, it just looks like braids. Like if somebody behind me walking, they can't tell it's a wig. It just looks like I got braids. So let's go ahead and start doing a couple styles. So I'm gonna do a half up, half down style. And I couldn't wait to use my little scrunchy thing that they sent over in the package. So I'm gonna be like securing it with that. And I'm gonna put 2 braids out in the front to have like a little bang thing, and I'm just gonna secure that up top. And then that is my second style, a little half up, half down, super cute. Okay, and then my third style is just like a middle part. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, middle part, side part, flip over. And then my fourth style is going to just be like a high ponytail. So I'm just gonna like flip all my hair going to the front, and then we're just gonna put it up into a high ponytail, you know, if you want your hair out the way. And then I'm just gonna pull one of those braids out and like wrap it around the ponytail so it can just look super cute, super cute. And then my final style is going to be a bun. So I'm just gonna wrap the rest of the hair that was in a ponytail and put it up into a bun. Looks really nice. Hairline, everything is laid, nothing is lifting. Yep. So yeah, if you like this wig or you want to check out any other wig that Lock Braids have, I'll leave their link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Step on the trip.